let's get into error handling. My intent today is to get through the content fairly quickly, give you plenty of time to work on stuff so you can get a handle on things if you want to. If you want to use this time, you can get a handle on things before you leave and not have so much stuff to do when you get home. So error handling. We've talked about error handling in the class. We've talked about preventing errors by checking user input and making sure that we're guiding users using our user interface and that sort of thing. But we haven't really talked about how do you deal with errors that sort of sneak past you anyway. So error handling is going to sort of go a little bit deeper into that stuff and give you a framework for thinking about error handling that should be helpful in terms of making your programs more robust. And so then we'll have a sandbox and an assignment that I'll go over today. So there are really two ideas about user-proofing your programs or about error handling. And you should think of them as a yes and, not an either or kind of situation. You really, for a program to be good and solid and robust and hard to crash, it's a weird way to think about it maybe, but for a program to be difficult for a user to mess up, you're going to want to use both of these ideas. The reason that we separate them into two ideas is to help us think about using both of them.